is so that you can see the screen now, right? So the question goes like this, Aniket. Okay, since you haven't seen this question already, it goes something like this. Oh, let me just draw it again. I can't fit the whole thing here. Yeah. You see a number like that, right? 800. Now imagine each and every line, each and every small line is a matchstick now. Each and every line is a matchstick. Now I want you to find the maximum. I want you to find the biggest number that you can get out of this by only moving two lines. Only moving two lines. As in, like, you can move this line. You can move this line and put it somewhere else. Let us say I'm going to put it there.
Put it at the second
Between
zero.
the zeros, sir. Second zero.
Second zero.
9,600. Biggest number.
I can do this. 9805. Is that what you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah, that's a good answer. But the kind of answers that you might get out of this is just amazing. Okay. This is just
So
a mathematics question that I
9885.
want, just an aptitude question that I wanted to discuss. The kind of, I just wanted to prove how you just limit yourself with a lot of constraints when you solve these kind of questions. Okay. It's really fun. It's really fun. Just give it a try. Any answer?
9905.
9895.
Wait a second. 98.
Sir, I got 9909, sir.
Oh, okay.
I rotated the question, sir.
What?
Sir, I just reversed the numbers. Like I just flipped it.
Yeah,
Sir,
you can do it, but someone's texting. Wait, who is texting on a video call? Admin says 9895. Okay, admin says 9895. I delete this here.
Sir, can I do once? I have one more idea.
Like what?
I will flip the question, sir. Best.
If you just flip it, it will be 5,000, 500.
Then 9985.
That's a very good approach, Aditya. I like your approach.
9985.
9985, sir.
But the number is not big.
9986 actually.
9986.
No, 85.
85, sir.
85, sir.
99, yeah, I can move. Wait a second. I'll just change the color. I can move this one. I can move this one. 9985. Yeah, 9985 is a answer that you can get because I move it here. I can just put it here. 9985. You agree?
Yes, sir.
But those answers are stupid, man. Those answers are silly. The silliest answers that you can come up with. Shall I show you something beautiful here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You ready for some magic?
Oh.
Wow. No, that is still stupid because
we are finding a 4-digit number, not
because I can do this.
Oh.
Do you agree now? 30,051. No, this is still stupid because I can do this.
31.
Yeah, really fun, right? But this is not over. We don't give up that easy. Any better answers? I have 31,005. Now it's fun now, right? Now it started to look like fun. Raghav is just thinking. Raghav is in thinking mode. Wow. Yeah, tell me. You have anything? You can draw it on the screen. The annotate option is live, right?
No, sir, it's there.
It is there. It is there. Yeah. So you can draw on the screen also.
Sir, 311785.
3117. How many sticks did you move? Like you moved every stick that is possible.
No, 2 sticks only, sir. Just
Sir,
one.
if we can move only 2 sticks, then we already moved for 1, right? We can't move anymore.
Yeah. So no, you can move 2 sticks, right? So
Sir, we already moved, right?
but I'm asking you to do it again. Like start from the beginning and move it again.
Okay.
So we can remove from 5.
You
or
can
something
remove
like
from
that.
5. Draw it. Like which stick do you want to remove?
No, so can we move sticks such that it doesn't make sense for the 5th number?
So you go ahead and I don't know the answers. Have anything else? Come on. This is fun. Do you want me to show you something better?
No, sir. Wait, sir.
Arey? Come on.
Okay. Oh, sir, I got it. I got
Oh,
it. I
yes,
got
sir. 1,
I got
3, 1, 1,
Okay,
3,
okay.
1,
Aditya
7,
says,
8, 5.
Aditya says
I got
something.
51,000, sir. I got 51,000.
Okay, come on, Aditya. How?
Sir, sir, I'm using a pen, sir. Can you move this up?
Yeah. Wait a second. Like that?
More up, sir. I need some space. I'm using a phone. That's
fine,
why.
fine. Oh, wait a second. Like completely up.
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Sir, I got a better number.
Wait. Let him try first and
Sir,
just.
sir, first I reversed the number.
Mm-hmm.
This was 8 na 8005. You gave it.
Okay.
So when we reverse it, we'll get something like this.
Draw it.
I need to copy this. Sir, yeah, one see kya ho raha hai? This is not getting online.
You're trying to draw it with a pen. The pen doesn't give a touch on a screen one, right? You have to do it
Yes.
with your hand.
I got the biggest number.
I got 51, bro. I got 51.
Aditya says he got 51, bro. What?
Sir,
I got a bigger
I
one,
can-
sir.
Sir,
Aniket,
one-
bro, what is your number, Aniket, bro?
Sir, can you just scroll up a bit?
Like, what's your number? Tell me.
Sir, it is 811105.
You got it, man. You are the man. Good. Like, look how beautiful this is. I'm going to delete these two and put those ones right in the middle. Now I have a 6-digit number. Isn't it fun? Raghav looks
Yes,
so
sir.
depressed. Raghav, what happened?
Sir, I'm not getting any chances. Sir. What shall I do?
Of course it is. Of course it is difficult, man. It is fine. It's fine. Like some people get those answers. I'll tell you what the reason is, first of all. Okay. At the end of this session, I'll tell you what the reason is about. Okay. Yeah. So this is a very good answer. Do you agree? No. I still say this is not a better answer. I still say there is a better answer to this thing. Can anybody get a better
Expected.
answer? What? Preetika?
Expected, sir, that you will be telling that word.
Yeah. No, I'll tell you what. Like, this is a question that was asked to me somewhere, and I posted it in our IIT batch group. Okay.
Sir, I will give you one channel link, sir. It's best for this type of question. Mind your
Oh, really?
decisions.
Like, yeah, I have a
Fine.
lot of questions here. When we have time, we can have these kind of discussions all day. Okay. So I'll tell
On
you what
YouTube.
happened. I came up with best answer. I came up with this answer. Okay, like 811 and things like that. And a friend came up with a better answer. And then I gave a better answer. And then this guy comes with an answer which is so amazing. No one can actually change that. Okay, I will take you there. But any other answers? Any other options that you see there? Okay, fine. I'm just not gonna wait for you people on that. I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to move those sticks. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Didn't get it. 811005 power 11. Whoa. My
Whoa.
bro.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, shit. That's something.
That's
No.
like,
No, yeah. Now there is a
Sir,
better
you didn't tell
answer.
you could put powers.
Yeah?
You didn't tell you could put
you didn't
powers.
tell we can do that.
And I didn't tell you
You
can't
have
do
to
that
become
either. I didn't
creative.
tell
You
you
have
can't
to
do that
become.
either. I didn't tell you can't do that either, right? When
Sir,
did
we
I
were
ask you
told
not to
also
do
for
this?
putting that 6-digit also, 5-digit also. We have to
Oh,
do
just
it.
go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it and show me some answers on that. Do you want a better answer to that? Or
Yes, sir.
like no. Think about it. Like think about it for a minute. Is there a better answer to this?
No, sir. Best
Yes.
answer.
No?
Yes. Yes.
Zero?
You can
Yes,
only
yes.
move
Yes,
6,
there
sir.
is.
Yeah. Pritika, tell me what is it?
Sir, can I draw?
Wait a second. I'll just
No,
take this
don't do that, sir.
Yeah. Here. This is a original number, right? So give me a
Sir, we
better.
had it right here, power 11.
Yeah. No. Once you have power 11, you can't use it again.
Oh.
Yeah. So no.
That's why that's the best answer, sir.
No. Okay. So that is how you
So,
give
sir,
up, right?
No.
This
no,
is how you
no,
give up.
No.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, so the first 1 will make it 9.
Okay.
Even in the next 0 will make it 9.
Okay.
Wait a moment. Sir.
And
I'll.
put this one there.
Oh yes, sir. 99.
Yeah.
No, sorry, nothing.
No, first of all, we have a base as a 6-digit number, right? That 6-digit number power to the 11. So that is the biggest number that I could bring already. Are you ready for the next answer? I'm just going to give it, okay?
Okay. Sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to do the mic drop again. Not the mic drop, the pencil drop again, okay?
Oh,
What is that, sir?
11
this?
power to the
now
whole
11
number.
power to the.
Oh, okay.
No. Yes, sir, I got it.
You get
Sir,
that now?
Sir, is there
Yes, sir.
any
Yeah.
other combinations
You
other than this?
Other than this, okay, so this is the number that I came up with at the end, okay? Like this is the best answer that I thought I could bring, and I thought I won the competition, but my friend came up with a better answer. We kind of have to accept this thing because the answer was actually good, okay? So the answer actually goes like the same thing, removing those two only. But put it like this, he says. He writes a L in between, right next to it. That word L means factorial, basically. That is how you represent it in mathematics. The factorial of this number is the biggest number. I know it's not fun, not a fun answer, but I had to just give my hands down to this guy. So, because he came up with a very good idea, so I give it to him. That is the best answer that we
So
got.
how can you say it's bigger than 11 raised
No,
to
that
6
is
one?
sure. Like 11 power, that number is definitely smaller than factorial. Like you need to be really good at mathematics to understand how you compare these kind of numbers. Okay, why aren't you people doing any of these kind of stuff? Like who was that Tapas, right? The other day, like I got a complaint from your mom that you're wasting a lot of time. No,
Sir, only when there's no class, sir.
no, this is the kind of fun that you can have. Not just this. I'm gonna show you something really good.
The
This is
factorial is exclamatory mark, right?
what?
Factorial is exclamatory mark.
No, L is also factorial. Like this is also a representation to that mathematics symbol. Okay, people do that. All right.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna stop that share, and we are going to. I can give you questions like this all day. Okay, like there are hundreds and hundreds of questions like this. They're always fun. We can always talk about these questions, but we'll just do it some other time. I'm going to show you. Wait a second. Wait a second. I cannot minimize. Okay, fine. Sharing my another screen. Just a few more physics ideas. If you can actually answer this thing. Wait a second. What happened? New share. All right. And yes. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The YouTube videos.
Yes, sir.
The
There are a
first
lot
video
of
you showed, I saw it.
What?
The first one, that first thing.
Yeah, we will go through each and every idea. Watch this thing. So you can hear the sound.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sound.
It's better everyone mutes their.
The balloon will move
This is the question that I asked you that
forward.
day, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
2
You
days
told
ago,
it
a
will
day
move.
ago, or 2 days ago. So he goes to forward. He actually tries to go forward, and look what happens to the balloon.
Wait a second. What just happened?
Now is that decelerating? It's going. Why is it happening? Like when is it accelerating? Why is the balloon actually going forward?
So everyone is going forward when it's accelerating.
I didn't get you.
So even the boy and the man are going forward. So same
No,
force.
they're not. Though. No, they're not. They're actually getting pushed like right after the acceleration point. Okay, watch this.
Acceleration should net in a force, and we'll have to react with this string, right? You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
3.
When the car is moving forward,
Yeah.
the friction on the tires is backwards. So the friction on the balloon string will be forward, helping it in
That's
motion,
just
something
way
like that.
to wait. If there is a pendulum in the car, if there is a pendulum hanging onto the car, that will definitely go back. There is nothing wrong in that. But look at this specific case. Look at this case. Look at this specific case. It's actually the car is actually going forward, and the balloon actually went forward.
Yes, sir. Sir, I know why.
Yeah.
The balloon is being pushed by the air that is moving with the car.
Not exactly. I'll tell you what. I'll just give you the answer, like the ways that you need to think. Okay. First of all, the balloon has hot air, right, which is lighter than the air that is in the car's cabin. So the balloon is actually being pushed up because of all the cold air which is in the car. Now when the car is accelerating, the cold air actually goes backward. The cold air actually goes backward and pushes the hot air forward. That is the case. Just like in the case where the balloon is getting pushed upwards, the balloon is going to get pushed forward because of all the cold air in the car's cabin. That is the reason why. You get that now?
You should not switch on AC, sir.
But the hot air balloon won't even go up there. So in that case. So this is the idea. Like this is the question that I asked you that day. Okay. No one actually came up with any answer to this question. That question is dead. And I'm going to take you to another question. Wait a second. Watch this thing. This is just amazing. Okay.
Yes, sir. So this is there in Birla Science Museum.
They are in everywhere. Like, watch this thing. He just sits in a normal basic chair only. Like it just has a wheel, so you can actually rotate. It's not motorized. Okay.
Some angular momentum.
Look what happens.
Rotate it.
Sir, this is gyroscopic force, sir.
Stop. If I go the other way,
So even I did it, but it's not so fast.
spin back around.
No, because the wheel isn't heavy enough. That is the main problem. If the wheel is good enough, if the wheel is heavy enough, and there is enough angular momentum, this effect will definitely show. But to understand this thing, even for me to explain this idea to you people, it might take a while because you need to be really good at rotational mechanics. You need to be really good at rotational mechanics.
This is about some gyroscope, sir. Gyroscope.
Yeah, it is related to gyroscope. I will show you the gyroscope effect. That is also a very interesting video. Wait a second. Spinning wheel. Where is the gyroscopic effect? Did I take that video out? Oh, come on. I shouldn't have. Wait a second. I'll just show you the gyroscopic cube. It's wait a second. Is this one? Yeah. Look at this. This cube can actually stand on its own. Like you don't have no one's actually have to pull it up.
Because there are some whenever something happens, sir, that circuit have some proximity sensors, so they will sense it, and at that angle the gyroscope will on.
The
So this will
gyroscope
make-
is not just you can simply say that the effect is gyroscopic effect, but to actually understand in terms of angular momentum and pure physics, pure kinematics, or pure Newton laws, it just takes a few days. Okay, like when we get to the topic of rotational mechanics, you just remind me about all these ideas, and I will definitely discuss these ideas. Just to look at this, look how it just stood up. That's it. It just raises it by itself. Like no one's. It actually balances itself. This is just an amazing tool. Like one of the best robots that I've ever seen. Like the build. Do you people follow the Boston Dynamics?
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
You should actually follow those people. Like the kind of robots they build, it just builds immense amount of interest. What?
They made one cheetah type of thing also. It's cheetah type.
Yeah. Cheetah type
Leopard,
of thing. Yes,
one.
yes.
So that's an MIT, sir.
It can jump.
Yeah, No. The Boston Dynamics actually built the one that we're talking about, the cheetah type of a robot. They actually,
Yeah.
it's actually the Boston Dynamics that built. Like let me
It has like this type of thing, like this. It will be like an end of an earbud. It's like
look at this.
yeah, this.
First of all, there is a fun video about Boston Dynamics. Like since the Boston Dynamics are building a lot of robots, someone made a fun video about this Boston Dynamics. This is not real, by the way. Okay, see what happens.
It looks real, sir.
It looks so real. That is the best part. They
So what is
torture it.
happening, sir? Actually, my screen is lagging over here, sir.
Oh, robot abuse.
So at the end of the video, what happens is the robot gets pissed off and it shoots everyone in the video.
I think I saw this.
Yeah,
That's
you saw
not,
it. But this is a fun video. But there is a video where you can actually check the original video where they make robots which are actually close enough to this. They don't actually teach them how to shoot. Okay, We don't want the Terminator movie to be a real thing right now. If only artificial intelligence takes off, we are going to die. So yeah, this idea is done. And is this the one? Yeah, did you check this thing? This is a very fun video too.
This the water will be like in the like
Yeah,
big droplet over there.
right.
This I saw.
I have
this
seen
I
this
saw.
one. Sir.
He went.
Sir, I saw this man crying in this place. Sir.
You are friends with this guy? Raghav
Yes, sir.
is-
They
Even
were,
I saw.
crying,
Yes, sir.
eating honey, something like that.
No,
in
Raghav
space,
has
he will show
friends
something.
in ISS. That is just amazing.
Sir, no, sir, I saw on YouTube that
On YouTube,
was crying.
you said it like you actually know this person and you are friends.
So he makes all videos from space.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Look at that is not jelly. That is basically water.
That's water, but it due to that no gravity effect, this is happening.
No, like why does
There is
this
no
happen? Just because there is no gravity, this has to happen?
Because actually, water is very. They say that water is very sticky.
Water is not sticky. Did you ever feel water is sticky to your hands?
No,
It's
not that.
adhesive, not sticky. It's called adhesive, right?
Oh, right. That is the right word,
Yeah.
Pritika. That is the right word. The water
say
is
something like-
adhesive. The thing is,
Okay.
it is about like when you put the water in on a table, it'll just the gravity just pull it all down. But since there is no gravity here, since because of the adhesive effects of water, it just sticks onto the hand of that man or the towel, the whatever they have. It just comes onto his hand. Like look at it.
And the answer to the question is the water squeezes out of the cloth, and then because of the surface tension of the water,
He said some word. What is it?
Surface
Surface
tension.
tension.
Surface tension. That will be a topic that I will be discussing at the end of the first year, not at the end of 3/4 of our session. It will be there. I will discuss this topic also.
it actually runs along the surface of the cloth and then up into my hand,
Look at that.
almost like you had
Jello.
jello on your hands or gel on your hand, and it'll just stay there. Wonderful moisturizer on my hands.
So someone asked for this experiment for all the kids to understand how it is up there. And there is a video where an astronaut actually explains what's the life on a space station. Did you watch that? That's also a fun video. You should check that out. Look at this. Look at this.
I want to thank the sponsor,
I don't want any
Access theorem.
sponsors.
but we'll get to that. Now, you may have
Guys,
seen-
this YouTube channel, if you want, Veritasium, yeah, Veritasium. You can actually follow this guy. He has a lot of fun
like
videos.
this one before, but we'll get to that. With
I'm just gonna take you to
Layden,
that
it of course
video.
makes no mention of the secret Janabekov effect. The paper says if you hold a tennis racket facing you and then flip it in the air like this, it not only rotates the way you intend it to, it also makes a half turn
I don't
around
think
an
he
axis
has that
passes
video.
through its handle. So the side that was originally
But right at
facing
the
you
beginning of the
has
video,
the
just observe what happens to that
of the
screw.
show. What you are looking at is known as the Janabekov effect, or the tennis racket theorem, or the intermediate axis theorem.
Now we might not probably discuss this idea. This is way too complicated for you. But if you watch this video, he actually explained it to an extent. Okay, you might probably understand this to an extent, but not completely. That is for sure. And in this guy also shows one more thing. Wait a second. The gyroscopic effect only. He shows another video where the gyroscopic effect is clearly shown.
Security is a big deal.
Yeah, security is a big deal. I know. Wait.
Learn how to keep your customers and your business.
What?
Hey everyone, it's me, Derek, from the channel Pork Pushing. Okay, so let me try.
See what happens
Come
there.
on. Oh,
See how beautiful it's just hanging onto it. It's not it's not a fixed rigid end. He actually shows it just falls off.
only
Okay.
one side by this rope. And so right now there's actually a torque on the whole system if I let go, because the weight of this wheel is pulling down, and that force is applied at this distance away from its pivoting point there. So if I let go, well, it does exactly what you'd expect. The wheel swings down this way.
So it actually swings down that way, but when he does that, look how simple. It's just hanging onto that point and it's not falling down at all.
Oh, look at that. It's rotating as we predicted. See, the angular momentum vector is...
So I'll just show another video where he actually lifts off a very heavy wheel. The same guy.
Should I know? With
This is a very heavy rod. He can't possibly
it
lift this
felt
thing.
like it was just going.
Oh,
You can make your prediction
this
by
is
clicking
at the
on
end
one
of the
of
video, I
on-screen
guess.
annotations. Or-
Yeah.
Beautiful. Let's go again. In 3, 2, 1. Nice.
Did you check that?
3, 2.
Yes.
It feels incredibly light as I do that.
He actually explains how this thing works. Okay, like how I can actually explain it. Like at the end of the topic of what do you say, rotational mechanics, I will actually explain this effect. Like why is it so easy to just lift off a heavy rod that is like that? It's that simple. Like what actually made it that simple. Okay, we will just definitely discuss this thing. So you can go ahead and follow this guy. He has a lot of fun videos. I will just upload this video anyway on YouTube later. There's a guy who explains gyroscopic effect.
It's going to tumble.
That is called a gyroscope, guys. Like you people use phones, right? In the phones, there is a thing called gyroscopic effect. If you play the game, what is the game that uses the gyroscopic most?
So PUBG also use it.
So PUBG, yes. Sir.
PUBG uses gyroscope, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I don't play PUBG.
We
I'm
tilt
not
the
PUBG
phone to
player.
tilt the aim.
I'm done with video games, man. I've played what I can in college and I'm done with it. PUBG uses it, gyroscope.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When we tilt the phone, the aim also tilts, sir.
Oh, I didn't know this thing. Pritika, do
So
you
I
play
played
games?
it during my holidays.
Sir,
sir.
I
just
don't play
played it.
PUBG.
I can
I
see
played
the
it.
depression in
played
your
it.
face when you're talking about PUBG. Harshita looks at it as if all these people should burn and go to hell.
That
Why
is true.
Arey,
If
sir,
she
we
looks
have to
like that, I
experience
agree with her
everything in the world.
completely.
Come on, like video
Me too,
games are
sir.
fun, okay? You need to understand that. Aniket, do you play games?
No, sir, I hate it.
Why?
I just don't like it, so it's very boring.
I used to play a lot of video games. Like
I play 2 games
Sir,
till now.
he is a
Also.
gamer, Aniket.
Aniket
Yes,
is
sir.
a gamer. Which
I
game?
play 2 games till now also.
Which game do you play?
I play
Almost every
Clash of
game.
Clans also.
What?
Almost every game for at least a week, sir, and then leave.
Oh, that's good. That's good to
I
know.
also did this, but my permanent games are like
Tapas,
Clash of
do you
Clans
play
and
games?
Minecraft.
Arey, Raghav,
Yes, sir.
Raghav is just
I want to see his face.
Raghav,
Me
come on,
too,
speak
me
up.
too.
Do you play games, Raghav?
Yes, sir, I do play. Yes.
Which game?
So Call of Duty, PUBG, everything, sir. PS.
Oh, you
Yeah, that's my brother.
Good,
Yes.
good.
Sir,
What
I have
about
personal
Vishnu,
grudge
Karthik,
against
Ganesh?
PUBG people.
Do you people play games?
No, sir.
Sir, we
Ah.
should play, sir. It's not like a crime.
It is
Should I-
not a crime, but if you waste your whole life on it, yeah, it is kind of a crime.
Yeah, then it's bad.
Yeah. So that is a gyroscope. So in our phones, the phone actually has a gyroscope in it, but not something that big. The kind of gyroscope that they have in phone is a digital one, and it works a bit different. But this is a very interesting fact, guys.
So
Like,
it is
right after
used in
the
a
class is
mobile
over,
compass.
yeah.
That gyroscope mechanism is also used on a mobile compass also, sir.
Yeah,
see the
mobile
horizon
yes,
level.
yes, they do use it in compass. So like they should, because you will get to see that in the second year topics also. Like when I talk about latitude, longitude, and when I talk about dip angle and things like that, we will get to see that. Okay, I will definitely discuss that. So right after this class is over, like go ahead and watch these gyroscope effects. Okay, like they're really fun to discuss. And I just wanted to just show you there are videos like top 5 space.
Sir, can you list all the channels?
What?
Could you just
Tell
list
her.
all the channels?
Like just note down the names right now. There is top 5. I'm not sure if they have a top 5 for everything, but just note down the name of the video. Top 5 space experiments. Okay. And there is this one, Go Experimental. 7 amazing tricks that you must see. This is an interesting one if you want to just check.
Yeah, there are some bodybuilder kits there. Some.
What?
Yeah, one kid was like he had a natural body, sir. Like Tiger Shroff, he's having body.
Tiger Shroff. Why did you bring him up now?
One video, I was like,
No, like why is
Yeah,
it the topic
you
of
were like-
discussion right now? Why is the topic Tiger Shroff suddenly came in the discussion right now in a physics class? We are talking about Tiger Shroff in a physics class. Do you understand that? The man who went against the whole country of Syria. The whole country of Syria, you're talking about him in a physics class. Do you understand that?
His physics are weird, sir. He jumps
He
anywhere.
did.
No, did you watch that
He
movie
just
Baghi?
destroyed
3? Is it Baghi
He
3 or
just
Baghi 4?
Yes, sir.
No.
3.
Baghi 3 or 4?
3,
He just
sir.
destroyed
No,
physics.
that guy is so good at actually making these jumps. About x-axis he makes a jump, and then about y-axis he makes a rotation, and about z-axis he makes a rotation. This guy is amazing. There's a friend who's a friend of mine who's just a big fan of Tiger Shroff, and I just make fun of, like, at least like watch any of these dance videos, okay? Watch JJ Shivshankar at the beginning of the song. Like,
Yes, sir, I saw that.
Ritik comes
It
up
was
with some
like-
really good steps, and this guy does a rotation about x-axis and then y-axis. I'm sorry if there is a Tiger Shroff fan who's watching this video. No, he's just an amazing athlete and a dancer, I agree, but this is just a fun thing. Okay, so just Aditya, why did you bring him up? Come on, like, why?
At least we got some good laughter, sir.
Yeah. So this is a video that I want you to check, and then physics fun phenomena. Yeah, this guy again, like, you just have to go to this guy's YouTube channel. There are a lot of fun videos on this guy. Like, he talks about radiation. He talks about tons and tons of things, guys. Like, you just go ahead and watch this videos. Is this a thing? Yeah, just check this one.
Science, I'd like to take a look at some of my marble tracks that I've built over the years. Inertia, potential, and kinetic.
So he has a lot of patterns built on it. Remind me about this topic in the topic of potential energies and kinetic energies again. Okay, potential energies, work per energy. There is a topic called work per energy. I will discuss this topic again at that time. Please remind me.
Side, but this side is 3 times up. We see it doesn't. How about if I try it from this side? And it won't do it from that side either. This piece was important because it was actually a piece that Galileo designed.
Did you see that? Like, even though the length looks 3 times the length on the left side, it actually goes all the way and it just stops at this point. Why does this happen?
Yes.
Any idea? Any question? Any answers from you?
Yes, sir, because the vertical distance is same.
Because of what?
The vertical distance is same, sir, so it has to go.
Yeah, that is a simple answer. But if you
The energy will be same on the horizontal
but
side.
if you explain the same idea, exactly. If you explain it the same idea with the idea of potential energy and kinetic energy, it simply settles. That is the idea, right?
For example, why get 1 million views for this video?
Yes, sir.
Chances are slim. Well, I was hoping for better, but it looks like my has 2.
Now, just check the whole video. This whole video is basically this guy talking about this fun stuff. Okay, like why these things actually do this specific effects. Okay, and there are tons and tons of video, guys. There are tons and tons of videos. I just want you to go through these ideas. I actually want you people to come up with a lot of questions. Okay, like watch these videos. Since you people have a lot of time on your hands right now, since the SSC people are all occupied with their exams, and you people have a lot of time on your hands, I'm clearly asking you people to just go ahead and discuss these ideas. Like, just look at these videos and bring as many as doubts you can. That keeps your interest in. Okay, that is the point.
There was vacuum in that place.
There was what?
So if there was vacuum in that place, those balls would keep going, right?
No. There is a bit of
Forever.
friction there. Guys, did you check the video where we talk about, like, let us say I dropped 2 bodies, okay? Let us say I dropped 2 bodies just drop 2 bodies. Like, the kind of acceleration they have, both the bodies have the same acceleration, right? Z. The only acceleration both the bodies have is nothing but Z. So they must reach the ground in the same time, like time of descent or time of flight or whatever.
That happens because of resistance and even buoyancy.
Exactly. So because of the resistance of the body, it differs. The time of flight actually differs. But there is an experiment where they create a complete vacuum chamber and they drop a leaf, not a leaf, a feather and a ball, a huge ball. They actually drop both of them and they actually reach the ground at the same time. Did you check that video?
It was done by
Yes, sir.
Aristotle or Galileo first from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. When there was no air, he just dropped a
Oh, yes,
feather
sir.
and a stone.
But it cannot be completely proven, right?
Cannot be completely, but he's They
Let's just check.
almost reach the same place.
Let's just check vacuum room experiment. Is it the experiment that we talked? Yeah, this is experiment. Look at this thing. So they actually go to this vacuum room. There is a vacuum room of NASA for some purpose where they test the satellites.
That is for astronauts to have their initial training, sir, because the space
So
feeling will be really nauseating.
this is where
Sir,
the
how is she walking in a vacuum room?
No, that is not. That's a good question. That is not a vacuum room.
They're
At this
going
point.
to the vacuum room.
They
They can't
will
enter
vacuum.
because
Yeah, they will create that vacuum later. Okay, if you drop it when the man is there, definitely they won't fall at the same time. What's that?
So
Now
much
that there
difference,
is-
sir.
Yeah,
So much difference.
yeah. So when they actually do this, what's this thing? When they completely evacuate, look at that. They lock down the room first of all. So they evacuate the complete room. This is the kind of effort they put in, okay? Just to do a silly experiment. Watch this. Watch this. Happy now, Aniket?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it amazing?
Look at that.
Look at the happiness on that kid. He's just as happy as Raghav when he solves a problem. Raghav is still sad. No, but that is idea, guys. Okay, so so I'm asking you to do it. I'm asking you, Raghav, why did you switch off your video? So just check all these videos. Just come up with as many as doubts, and if you actually find any videos that I haven't found out, please go ahead and suggest me some. Okay, I might miss some videos someday, so just suggest me some ideas. No, I'll just end this class. Okay, I'll just end this class. Before ending this class, I just want to ask you one more question, and if you can give me the answer for this question, you are top notch. Okay, if only you can match up with the answer that we got for this question, you are top notch, on the top of the world. I'll just give you that. Okay.
Yes.
So there is a story. There's a king. He's supposed to throw a party in 2 days.
when teachers tell stories, it always ends up in some kind of very...
Someone getting killed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you're on the right path. Someone's about to get killed in this story also. So the story goes, the king has 2 days for the party to start. Not 2 days, actually 48 hours exactly. 48 hours exactly right before the party actually goes on, is about to start. Now, he has 500 barrels of wine. 500 barrels of wine.
Oh.
And he gets to know that someone poisoned one of the barrels. Someone poisoned one of the barrels. Now, someone poisoned one of the barrels and gets to know the information that that poison shows 24 hours, just below 24 hours, just below 24 hours to actually show it its effect. So you have 500 barrels. Let us say you drink the poison at this moment. To show an effect of this poison, you'll actually die at the end of these 24 hours. Okay? And you have 48 hours to check. You have 48 hours to check. And the reaction time is 24 hours. And obviously, since he's a king, he has a lot of prisoners to test it on, because he has to throw his party at any cost, right? The party has to go and the party cannot stop. And he has 500 barrels. What is the least number of prisoners that he can use? What is the least number of prisoners that he can use?
So among this 500, only one barrel is poisoned.
Only one barrel is poisoned. What is the least?
So he can use only one. I have one.
Sir,
Only one. It's enough. One is
okay, only one. Just one?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
enough.
So tell me how.
So first, let's think that there are 44 hours. Like we make a line, considering it as a 44 hours time period.
44 or 48?
48, sorry.
Okay.
48. So he will be testing first on that one prisoner, he will test that one barrel.
Okay.
Then after
Sir, and if
let's
the prisoner
say 30 minutes.
die within 12
30
hours,
minutes.
that's it, sir. That's
No,
the
the
poison.
prisoner doesn't die in 12 hours. That is the point. The prisoner only dies in 24 hours. So let him.
Then after half an hour,
Okay.
give him another barrel, one more barrel open and give him.
Okay. Okay.
Continue this until we have
Okay, sir.
500.
And
So
Okay.
after when he dies,
Okay.
go reverse 24
Yeah.
hours.
So let's get back to the
Doing
point.
which
Like,
correct
you have
answer, sir.
48 hours. You have 48 hours, right?
Yes.
You have 48 hours. Now you're making him drink. You're making him drink one in each half an hour.
Half an hour. Yeah.
So you only get to test 96 barrels only.
Oh, nice.
so you can do every 5 minutes, every 4 minutes, anytime.
Now, yeah, that is a very good answer, guys. Now, I
Yeah,
really
5
appreciate your
minutes.
answer. You can actually do it for every 5 minutes. You can actually do it for every 5 minutes, and so that like if he starts one at this point and he dies at exactly 23 hours and 49 or 55
Yeah.
minutes, he can say that okay, he actually died from this barrel. So that is a very good approach. I appreciate it. But now comes the real question.
Okay.
The reaction time is not exactly 24 hours. It could be somewhere in between 0 to 24 hours.
Right.
I'm sorry. It could be somewhere in between 0 to 24 hours. That is the answer. That is a question. This is what makes it really complicated. And if only you can come up with an answer. I'm not going to give you an answer today, of course. We will get an answer for this tomorrow only. But just come up with the least number of prisoners that you can use so that you can get an answer out of this thing. Okay. This is a really fun and interesting question that we're going to discuss. Yeah, we'll just discuss it tomorrow. I'm going. I asked an uncle he's also an IIT pass out. Like he's passed out IIT Madras in 1980s. Okay, this guy is a genius. He came up with the best answer that I could see. Okay.
Sir, it's coming nearly to 200 prisoners. So like
you are going to kill 200 silly prisoners. I'm so sorry. What kind
Yeah,
of a person are you, Raghav?
So you can just take it to the party. Maybe one or two will die.
Chemical reactions.
No, there is no other option. There is no just other option. Like I appreciate the idea that you just come up with new ideas.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, 4 prisoners, sir. So sorry, sir. 4 prisoners should be.
How?
Sir should drink that. So
How?
1 prisoner must die.
How? Tell me.
With a bit of chemistry and all the prisoners, we can do it without killing anyone.
Without killing anyone.
Exactly.
Okay, like
So,
Pritika, you have my attention. So tell me what's a way to do
Okay,
it.
sir. First, we'll give each a sip of each barrel to every prisoner. 500 prisoners, 500 barrels.
Okay.
And whoever will start showing a bit of reaction between 24
There is
hours,
no
we'll
bit
give
of a reaction. That
we'll
person, the person simply dies.
Sir, but it's something like if a poison is taken and we take something like more poisonous after we take the poison, we don't die.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's a scientific fact.
No,
I read it in some science book.
We are not having any scientific facts today in this class.
Sir, I have a better option, sir. Just go to the party, sir. Let 1 or 2 people die.
Let 1 or 2 people die.
That's the best one. That's the best
Who
one.
will know, sir? He is the king.
Or give that whole barrel to your
Just
enemy.
let 1 or 2 people die, right? Since he's a king, no one's gonna do anything.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Or
He
give
has
it to your
autocracy. He's a monarch.
Yeah. He can just do that. But no one's gonna allow that. Yeah, just try this question, okay? The kind of answer that you're going to see in this one is just really amazing. Maybe I will definitely explain it. Like tomorrow,
So instead of prisoners, we can use rats.
you can use
Whichever
what?
Rats.
Grass.
Rat.
Rats.
Nice.
Okay, that is a good idea. I'm
Better
sorry,
use
I
rat.
didn't have all these kind of ideas in the beginning. I just looked at this question as if it's a logical
Theoretical.
question. Who knew people like you could save the world, right? The Avengers, look at it. I'm the Captain America and you are what? Who's Iron Man now?
I mean,
Me, sir.
Yeah, you're going to die. You understand that, right? You'll
Yeah,
have
but
to-
he will be great.
Like
The
King
king doesn't
Raghav said,
care.
Krago said the king doesn't care about the number of
Oh,
people
yes, sir,
that
correct
day, he just
point.
wants to minimize the
That's
number of people.
true.
True point, sir.
Yeah, but maybe
No,
what
he
if,
cares. He cares because he has to dispose all the bodies. Come on, Raghav.
wow, you're
What?
seriously talking about disposing the body now? Okay, who?
He can bring 500
What
prisoners
kind
only
of
1 week
students am I
time, sir.
teaching now? What kind of students am I teaching now? Wow.
This sadistic.
Now people are talking about disposing bodies. Okay, I'm done. I'm out of this place. I'm not
It is gonna
teaching
become a
you.
biology class instead of physics now.
Oh wow.
We
Anyway,
will do dissection also, sir. Dear.
what?
Dissections of body also now.
Yeah, no, I'm not in this thing. Count me out. I'm not Captain America. I'm just I'm someone who dies in the first movie of Iron Man. I'm the scientist who actually helps Iron Man to build that thing. Okay.
Yes,
No, I'm
get
not
out of
involving
that
myself with you people. Okay. Okay, this is too much. Anyway, let me just conclude the class. Tapas, why do you look so depressed again?
Maybe all this killing.
Oh, you're
Nothing,
against
sir.
killing. I'm with you, man. I'm with you. No, I'm totally against killing. No, no one should kill anyone. Okay. Anyway,
So we can search on Google.
what?
Google will give you
Aniket,
every
right?
answer.
Who said
bro.
that?
Okay, first of all,
We can search on
wait,
Google, sir.
guys. This is a physics class. We talked about tiger shroff.
Yes.
We talked about killing people. Now, Aniket is bringing romance into this. No, I'm out.
No, he asked about Google.
Oh, fine. Guys, listen. I have
I
another
asked
class to
about
attend.
Google,
I have,
sir.
wait, calm down. I have another class to attend. Guys, can you just raise your hands all one that, like, literally with the option? Preetika actually raised her hand.
I didn't know what.
It does, okay, does it show? Yeah, it does show. I just want
Sir, only
Raghav, you
thumbs up
didn't-
and clap are there.
yeah, just do anything that you want. Do the clapping, do the...
All the ones that work out without video also work in this. My sister goes to class.
Okay, just check,
Video class, so
just
it
check.
happens.
Every other option is working, right?
Every other option works, sir.
Oh, cool. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. If they are working, it's totally fine. So let me just conclude this class, guys. We are going to have these fun sessions more and more, but let's see if I can actually take it tomorrow. If it's not happening, I'll just let you know when the next class is. Okay. But as long as you bring in these answers, I'm open to this kind of solutions. And regarding the first question that I gave you, that 8005. No one actually put a limit, no one actually put a rule against you people saying don't use a 5-digit number. No one actually asked you not to use a 6-digit number. We just build some walls right around our heads and we actually limited ourselves. No one actually stopped you from doing that. It's just you people. In most of the cases, in most of the situations, this is what you do in a daily life, in your problem solving, in your daily life, and your any kind of a problem solving. We just build walls around our heads and we actually don't approach the problem because we limited ourselves. It's not someone else. Okay, I just want you people to understand this point. This is a very important point. We just limit ourselves doing this kind of stuff. No, I didn't ask you not to use powers. I didn't ask you to not to use any kind of a silly idea. Just come up with as. That is why I appreciate all the kind of answers that you just gave about the king. Okay, king killing random people. It's just fun. It's just fun as long as you discuss it. It's fun as long as it's a constructive discussion. But if you can come up with a logical explanation to that also, that would be great. Okay, I just wanted to conclude this class with this. And once we are done with this thing, if you have more and more questions like this, we are going to have these sessions, more of these sessions for sure. Is there a math class today?
There was, sir.
So I'll just talk to them. I'll just coordinate with those people once they actually teach the topics which are useful in physics. And I will start teaching them in physics the day they actually start. Okay. I'll just coordinate with and I'll let you know how the schedule goes in the meanwhile when the SSA exams are happening. All right, guys. So this was a great fun session. Thanks so much. Anyone has anything to add up to this session? Anybody?
So that answered 250 people.
No. I want the minimized number. Should I give you the number also? No, I don't want to give you the number. That will kill your enthusiasm and your interest in this topic. So just go ahead and try doing that. The answer will amaze you. Okay, the answer will amaze you. I'm assuring that. All right, guys. So I'm going to sign off. I have to leave. I have another class. So thanks for a great session, and we will meet tomorrow. Things go well. All right.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.